On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter gang? Let's go, baby. Dump it, baby. Dump it. How's everybody doing? How is your puckeredness? How are you puckering? Are you totally puckered? Are you worried? Army Pie Bear, you got to let us know, man. Where are we going? 60? 50? 40? Ooh, down we go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows. Let's be real. Up, down, all around, we keep it separated, you know? That's the portfolio versus the trading account. We're here. Don't forget. Okay, I had a good reminder yesterday. Health is wealth, man. Health is wealth at the end of the day. Let's jump in to the charts and the game. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Let's see where we get to. Another rollover on Biddy here. Down we go where we stop only. Pie Bear knows. Yeah, we had, an interesting trading day yesterday. We had the V-shaped recovery, consolidation down to the low, trying to push back, failure to make a higher high, lower low. SFP last night into consolidation rollover. So the question is, that's a horrible question mark. Riddle me this. Where are we going now? You guys know better than I do. Anyways, I take micro penis scalps, right? So we'll see where we get to. I mean, we're in one of my key levels, one of many. But this thing is not letting up. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I am short naturally. Peace. Brava. SFP of the low coming in right now. Continuation down. NASDAQ flat. NASDAQ up and to the right, actually. The ES, it's bull flagging. It's not in Ireland. It's bull flagging. It must be in Switzerland. And Bitcoin breaking down. What else is new? Big 2. Let's go, guys. Flash crash time. Yep. The king is in the house. Where have you been, bro? Good to see you, man. God bless you. How you been? How have you been, man? Good to see you. Dusty Geronimo. This is early. Good morning. What's going on, Geronimo? Yeah, it is early. I'm going to catch the worm or whatever the hell they say. I don't know if about catching worms. Catch money bags. That's what we're here. Sweep of the low right now coming down. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. You would want to long this normally, but this does not say long me. This says lower. Very simple. Very simple. Continuing to break down. Sweeping the liquidity of the lows, pushing back right now. No trade for me. I'm not about to jump into something willy-nilly. That's a lower high, lower high, lower high. Push back. Bounce. Ooh-wee. Bounce to dump. Bounce to dump. That's all I can see. So waiting right now. Let me see the higher term time frames here. How's everyone else doing? Are we all good? Taj bon? Taj bon? Taj bon? Gotta bring these closer. We know we're in a buy level, but, we don't want to get too excited. 69,420. Sheesh. Sheesh. Health is wealth, though. Yesterday, my, fuck pecans, by the way. Pecans? Cashews, sorry. How's that for ASMR in the morning? Holy smokes. Nose running. ASMR in the morning. Little man had a allergic reaction yesterday, so his eyes puffed up, his face puffed up, his ears, his cheeks. Oh man. It was scary. It was very scary. We had to rush to the hospital at 12 o'clock yesterday. And he looked like this mofo, right? My son just all of a sudden looked like... My wife calls me and we're doing a lesson in the Discord. And all of a sudden my son looks at me and I'm like, holy shit. Oh, panic mode. Panic mode. And no, I didn't panic, but we drove to the hospital and we were there for like 4 hours or whatever. And little man had to get a EpiPen and fucking cashews. That's how I feel right now. So health is wealth, man. Enjoy it. Enjoy it if you're healthy. There's a million things on people's minds, but if you're sick, there's only one thing on your mind, right? That's the thing. There's only one thing on your mind if you're sick, and that's to get better. So, remember that. Amen to that. And that's key. Product comes up $30 this morning. Earnings tomorrow. Let's go, baby. George Verbod Map the Great King Froggle. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Milan. What the heck? Oh, my. Hey, take the baby and get him a good toy and tell him it's from Crypto King. Let's fucking go, man. My goodness. I will send proof of toy, man. Crypto King with the $300. God bless you, bro. God bless you, man. Thank you so much. You're a saint, man. Thank you for the super chat, man. I haven't seen you in a while. I missed you, man. That's for sure. Hopefully you've been busy on the good side. Everything's been all right in your area. Thank you so much, Crypto King, for supporting the channel. Spam some Crypto Kings in the chat. My goodness. Jesse Haluk, good morning. Crypto Hefe, Wes, Son of the King, Ashunts, good morning. Curbstar, Andre. I guess we got to do a giveaway now. Let's do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway today as well. We'll give away some of the money here. Andre, maybe a real trade was friends we made all along the way. This is true. Proof of work. Good to see you, Curbstar, Shri, and Pandy. G1, Duality, WB, good morning. Alexandra G. Proof of work. Good morning. Good to see you. Gang. Look at the autocorrect on this thing. Time. Look at the autocorrect. What is this Chinese autocorrect thing, man? Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Curtis Hill, King Froggle, Local Crypto. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Curtis Hill, Rashad, Curbstar. Good morning. Good to see you. Local Crypto. Thanos, good morning. Thank you for being here. Caesar, Curtis Hill, Madara, McCall, Army Piper, singing the song. Dan, Keen Bean. Good morning, guys. Jim, how you doing? Wemba Ishunts, Mr. King in the house, top of the morning. My man, God bless you. I'm going to have to give some of that away, man. Most of that away. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I appreciate you, bro. Wemba fan, F-Bomb, Aaron, good to see you. Hoto, Rebellious Mindmates, Curtis Hill. Ain't looking at the charts since yesterday morning. I'm in the same boat as you, buying a home today. Let's go, Curtis Hill. God bless you, man. God bless you. That's awesome. That is awesome, man. You gave the target of 68.9 yesterday. Whew. 68.9. Well, we have a level at 68.9. Could be. Could be. Oof. Does it hold? Yeah, it's always Flash Crash. Good to see Curbstar. Cool. Good to see you Save the Republic. Good rising, Francois. Balerian. Good morning, man. Good to see you, Jojo. Eric. Save the Republicans. GMOs. My son had something similar when he was young. Yeah. We eat very healthy. Like, my wife is very conscious of it. I'm going to have to tell my wife someone gave the kiddo $300 to spend at the toy store, man. Crypto King in the chat. God bless you, bro. Walnuts and pecans. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, there's so many D's nuts jokes that were going through my head with my son being like an Oompa Loompa yesterday, but you know, I tried to refrain. You know, when you're scared as a father, you get into like, let's make jokes. Not always the greatest thing, right? King Fraudle, Andre, good to see you. Thank you for being here. God bless you, Crypto King. Right on. But I'm still watching. I appreciate you. Business is booming. Let's go, man. I mean, I'm not here to brag, but I made just over 8,000 trading yesterday, so I deposited 20K into the bank account. We're back down to 36,800 on the trading account. So, I mean, showing the trades, taking the trades, business is booming. That's it, man. God bless you, Crypto King. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. I'll show you proof of toy. I know exactly what to get him. He needs a full-size hockey net. So for the house, it's gonna be his housewarming present, and Crypto King provided. God bless you, man. Keem Bean, good to see you. Alexander G, good morning, good to see you. Charles, Dusty, Rutan, Lava Man, Noel, Anonymous, Mouse, Anonymous, brother. Ooh. Good to see you, Laurent. How you doing, man? God bless your son. I'm from India. Thank you for being here from India. I'm from Canada. Canada's basically India. We are friends. Vintage Virtue. Jesse Haluk. Bogo, famous. What do you think about prop firms? I think they're a tool. They're a tool. I personally have never used a prop firm extensively. That's like $2,000 in Canada. 300 US. 3 is 4. That's the easy math, actually. So that's $400 Canadian. God bless you. The wife rarely responds well to jokes when things are scary. Yeah. Meanwhile, there's me like pulling at the dad joke fucking book. Good morning, Brillo, Crypto Titan, Ada Ace. Remember to hit the like, says Ada Ace, guys. 250 people in here bringing in the dump this morning. Wild times. Brampton is Delhi. Yes, exactly. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Bangladesh, they call it. Sounds awesome. Yes, sir. That's awesome. Yeah. He's going to get a hockey net. He needs like the full-blown hockey net with like the fake goalie inside of it. I'm starting with $400 now. How to do with it, AlexO? Man, well, you're going to risk $400. So you're going to risk $4 to try and make $12. And it has to be taken seriously. That's what you're going to do. Okay, and you're not going to over risk. You're going to get your reps in. That's your job, right? Your job is to get reps in as a new trader. Get reps in, get used to trading, get used to the platform, get used to entering and exiting trades. Develop a strategy. But risk management and strategy are the number one things that you can implement right when you start trading that will have the most positive effect on your trading journey. The trading journey is, the first one's free, then there's some pain, then you think you got it, then there's a lot of pain, and then you maybe pull yourself out of the gutter. That's typically the trading journey. Okay, first one's free, some pain, you think you're good, seasonality or something changes in the way the market's moving, you get fucked. I'm not putting it lightly. You get effed. Everybody put a 1 in the chat if you've hit this stage where you've gotten effed, right? Multiple times, maybe, And then you have to make a conscious decision about taking this seriously, managing your risk, only trading high probability setups over and over again. And if you can do that over time, your account will start to look better. That's the journey, man. So welcome. Welcome. Right? Welcome. Listen, if everybody could sit at home and click 2 buttons for the rest of their lives successfully, they would do it. It's not meant to be easy. This is hard shit, man, especially the emotional side of it. Sitting there, like for me, sitting there and getting like kicked in the nuts for like $2,000, just poof, gone. Poof, just gone, right? Just gone, right? That's it. But I'll show you what I do. Showing the trades, taking the trades. I had an $8,000 day yesterday. I just deposited $20,000 into my bank account. I show everything here. Okay, I showed the Discord yesterday. The best Discord in all of crypto. Here's my $20,000 transferred to my exchange. Here's it, $27,000 Canadian transferred to my bank. Okay, showing you. I show you. Nothing to hide here. I'm here to help. And hopefully you can help yourself, right? Because this is you versus you. It's funny how, like, health is wealth, and my son gets, like, scary sick yesterday. Rushed to the hospital. EpiPen. Like, my son's only 21 months old, right? So, absolutely petrifying. And I have an amazing trading day, too, right? So, perspective. That's all I can say. Perspective. But welcome if you're new. It's a road. It's a very, very weird road. And but it's worth it. It's a trudge initially. All I ask you to do here is say good morning. Okay? Say good morning. And that's it. Montreal was great. Yeah, I don't know about Montreal. I'm a Leafs fan, so I'm naturally born and raised to hate Montreal, especially the Canadiens. We used to go drinking in Montreal because the drinking age is 18, not 19 there. I'll have proof of HockeyNet for him, Crypto King. Thank you. God bless you, man. Good to see you guys. Shall we long now or wait? No, we should not do anything right now. There's no signs. No signs for a trade. We have lower highs all the way through. No momentum. Break into a buy level. SFP of the low. Okay, we'll go through it all shortly. Is there any specific time zones or I can trade a full day? Well, so the way I did it when I was new, because I want to be like, my whole goal, right? A lot of people, they flip-flop, right? They're flip-floppers. They strategy, fair value gaps, order blocks, VWAP, right? Market cipher, fuck. They don't focus on one thing and do it really well, right? What I did when I started is I only traded, because I lived in Australia. See my vertical timeline here. So I've back tested and I only trade within my vertical timeline most of the time. This is where I trade. Okay, vertical timeline, easy, free. You can also get sessions by LuxAlgo. Okay, and that'll break it down for you if you want. You go up here, sessions. LuxAlgo, throw that on your chart. You'll see your session. Okay. Well, there's a nice pushback. Nice pushback here, SFP of the low. But you will see your time zone and where you trade. When do you have free time, right? So for me, I would work all day. I work 10-hour days, come back, eat dinner, and then I had a time frame from 7 p.m. to about 10 p.m. at night. And I could trade that session after working and having dinner with my wife. Right? I was able to focus on that time, so I time blocked that area, and I only traded that area. Okay? Or you could swing trade, where you're in trades for, days, possibly. For me, I'm a scalper, so I focused on scalping constantly in that time frame. That's all I focused on, and that's how I did it. But you need to have a plan. You need to understand what type of trader you want to be. And you need to focus on that. If you don't focus on that, you're going to end up all over the place, right? There's a million ways to skin a cat, but you got to focus on one technique at a time, in my opinion, right? I use multiple techniques now, but I've been doing it for years, and it takes quite. I backtested Orb open range breakout for 6 months before I introduced it to my community. 6 months. And I tried the 15-minute, I tried the 30-minute candle, I tried the hourly candle, I tried initial balance, I tried different backtesting strategies on Bitcoin, and I found the orb worked the best. But nowadays, it takes quite a lot to earn your right into my strategy because I'm profitable, right? I'm not going to give away my edge to some fancy new fair value gap swing trade strategies, right? If it ain't broke, don't, So focus. I would suggest you focus on something, implement it, backtest it, learn how to backtest. Small account, paper account, and go from there. And then do some more. Just got back from Montreal. It was fun. Yeah. It's a great place to party. See, everybody's gone through this struggle. Now the issue is, can you change out of that? Right? That's the hard part. Is can you take your pain? Because emotion will help you make changes. It's true, unfortunately. But emotions will help you make changes. And from there, you can. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest and easy. From there you can grow and become better. All right, go over to this video. I don't know if you've already put stopped out. I'm going to do a giveaway because, you know, our good old friend Crypto King Crypto. I'm going to do a giveaway here because everyone's here already. Go over this video. Comments stopped out. No, is it stopped out or shot clock? Put shot clock in the chat. Shot clock. And we'll do a giveaway. Okay. Shot clock. And we'll do a giveaway. I'm sick as F, but I enjoy the struggle. You got to go over to that video and put shot clock in the comments. Not here. Not here in the video. Shot clock. Can you tell me about the orb strategy? Open range breakout, your first 15-minute candle, support and resistance. That's it. It's 2 lines. You got a line here, you got a line here. How does price behave within that line? That's how you trade it. That's it. Yet again, requires a very good patience, interpretation of price action. Okay. You guys all gonna put shot clock? Y'all stupid as fuck if you put. You said it, Jesse. Oh man. Oh man. Jesse laying down the law, man. You stupid. You stupid as fuck. Oh man. Jesse comes here to, this is Jesse's safe place where he gets to swear and curse at you guys. He's very professional everywhere else, and kind, and he's still very professional and kind, but he's allowed to let his hair down here. Okay? Because, you know, he all day long he has to support these beautiful content creators, and he does a very good job, right? But here he gets to take his hair like this. And he gets to do it like this. All right? Welcome to the AlexOCrypto Crypto Show. This is who you're trading against. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. Good times. Oh, man. Lower. That's what this says. Order block tap. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Unfortunately, guys.
Easiest rules that you can implement in your trading.
You should actually watch this video. It might help you. You degenerate. All right. Look at that. You think I've done this a couple of times.
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody
Maximum amount of comments. Don't be gay.
If you are sure, dump it.
What?
Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. You in the chat if you are sure. Dump it.
Okay, I'm just gonna scroll like a madman then.
Chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, soul. Elevator down, losing control. 2 in the chat if you are short.
When the music stops, I'll last person it lands on.
Chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down.
Is it done yet?
Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Who in the chat if you are short?
Dump it. The song's taking longer than I expected. Too many comments, guys. We'll do a giveaway to the Discord or some USDT if you're already a member. Happy days. Triple. Let's go, baby. That took forever. Congratulations, Triple. Come over to the Discord and claim your prize, man. GG's. Did my stream end? Congrats, Triple, man. Where did my chat go? My chat got ruined. I guess that was too... Are we still live? Put a 1 in the chat if we're still live, guys. I think we are. I think we're still live. My chat got wrecked. We're here? Thanks, Jesse. Oh, okay, we're good. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Congratulations, Triple. Come over to the Discord. We'll hook you up, bro. Let me post it here. Congrats, bro. Just open up a ticket and we'll get you sorted, man. Congrats, man. We're still here. Good. All right. Yeah, Crypto King blessed the King Crypto blessed the stream today. He said for me to go buy my son a nice present, so I know exactly what my son wants. So we'll be buying him a full-on hockey net with the goalie and everything. Not cheap, but I mean, God bless you, King Crypto, man. So top-down analysis, right? Top-down analysis. So what do? We're dumping, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Okay? Looking for support, not getting it, right? So down-only trading. Very clear down-only trading. Pullbacks are for shorting. Okay? Grabbing late shorts, trying to bounce. Our job is to wait for structure, okay? Even last night when we were looking at the price action, we said we needed a 12-minute break on the higher term time frame here, right? We did not get one all the way through, okay? We just kept making these lower highs. So this was for shorting, right? For shorting, even if you got the SFP bounce here, you're still waiting for that break. We never got it, okay? Bitcoin continuing to roll over, okay? Now we have a major resistance level at 70,700. Major, big old volume nipple, as Piper would call it, right? So when we look here, we've got an acceptance back into the range. We look at the price range here. What can you see? Very simple, okay? Look, we have got an acceptance below our big-ass volume nipple here, okay? Big-ass volume nipple. And we were coming down into some volume support here at 69. Okay, some support, not much. Range bound theory, in my opinion, if this is our range, which I would define as our range, we would look to rotate to the lows after getting acceptance into it. Okay, there's no reason to be Longs are for retracements, and we are clearly bleeding out here every time. Okay, when we zoom out, this is a giant bear flagging. Okay, and we can see that we have lost this support level here. If we wanted to, you know, get a little bit more technical. Okay, rolling over here very aggressively. Lower is what it suggests. Okay, lower. How low will it go? Well, Michael Saylor will tell you. Okay, if this then that. Always prepared that way, right? The thing with this dump, right? Whenever you dump this aggressively, it's very easy to bounce. V-shaped recovery, blah, 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 blah. Okay. However, confirmation is king, meaning you want to see structure. If you don't see structure, you're short, right? And you want higher term time frame confirmation of that structure. Okay, so acceptance into the range, we're choppy. We're right back into Rangeville here, whatever you want to call it. Sell a main, go away. Tell me it's not real. I said what date did I say in the Discord? May 11th, right? I said May 11th, that weekend. Sunday, May 11th. I said that weekend is going to make or break us. I said that multiple times. Proof's in the pudding. Okay. I'm not an I told you so channel. It doesn't matter. It's not like I effing swing trade. Okay. It's not like I told you so here. I'm pretty good at macro analysis to help my scalping. But I feel like I would turn prehistoric if I took a trade like this. You know, I turn into an absolute dinosaur. So if this, then that, right? If this, then that. How can I take advantage of the price action now? Right? So I understand we're in a downtrend. We're moving down. We're heading lower. What does Market Cipher suggest? Well, it suggests that every time we have found bottoming, it has been relief to dumping, right? Relief to dumping, relief to dumping, relief to dumping. Okay? Someone clip that and then put it on my washroom wall. Okay? So we are anchoring, but this is still down only, right? There's no signs of relief. Even if we go into our 3, our 2, our 1, even our 1 hour is just getting pummeled, right? Bull divs. Oh my God, it's a bull div. Bull div ain't working in this environment, guys. What's working in this environment is pullbacks are for shorting, okay? If you're unable to take a short, you need to flip your chart upside down. I highly suggest you do this. Alt-I. Okay, look at this. Would you be shorting here? No. Everything is pointing up. Right? This is a meme coin. But it's going this way. Okay? So, we have major resistance above us here at 70,700. We have a downtrending momentum here. We're coming into buy levels, our macro golden pocket right now. So if we go on our daily and we look at this thing and we go swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high, we can see we're attempting to come into our golden pocket here. Order block, volume support level. Can we hold? We'll see. We'll see. Otherwise, we're coming for the liquidity of the lows. Which means violence, baby. Which I'm here for. I'm here for. Because I don't really care which way it goes. Up, down, all around. We're still making money. I mean, I had one of my best trading days in a long time yesterday. So, if this, then that. Right? Price action will tell us which way we are looking. And we're looking for shorts and relief rallies. So, longs are for retracements. I just gave you guys all just got blind. See, this is what happens when you look at a scalper's chart on the higher term time frames. All right. Longs are for retracements like this. I can make lots of money on these. And shorts are for continuation. Look at that big flaccid thing there. All right. And you can hold them a little bit longer. Doesn't mean there isn't violent pullbacks that are going to wreck people. Absolutely there is. It doesn't just go straight down, so we shall see. Losing 69,420. Bitcoin's favorite level, man. Bitcoin's favorite level. And down we go. So thank you everybody for being here. 300 and something. How many people in here? 355 people in here. Cool, man. 101 likes. 101 Dalmatians. Cool. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out with me. God bless you guys. And I'm very grateful for you guys hanging out here. We talk smack all day. We click the buttons. We talk shit and make money. Showing you the trades, taking the trades, depositing the money into the bank account. All that good stuff on a monthly, weekly basis. Trying to do it just like you guys are. So we'll see where we get to today. Bitcoin bleeding out. NASDAQ holding up, of course. ES. Rounding. Relief. Bitcoin relief. Potentially. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down, in my opinion. We'll see. Thank you for being on the live stream and smashing those like buttons and subscribing. And blowing up this video today. We'll see where we get to. Damn, Bitcoin, you look ugly. We do have this like macro trend line I did want to mark out here. I'm just curious if I come from the high. Let's go on like a 1 hour. Gotta go here. And go here. Yeah, I just want that guy. That's my target for the long. If we get long, I want to see us come up into this guy here. We shall see, man. We shall see. You guys are all short, hanging out, kicking ass. Gang, gang, let's go. What's going on, Cameron? How's the kid doing? Jesse, good to see you. 69,420. Yeah, man. Andre. Mines have been blown with the alt-I hack, yeah. Sell calls, buy puts, that's it. The candles on hype are going crazy. We had some hype levels yesterday for everyone. I gave this level. Yeah, it's holding resistance. Uptrending momentum here. I mean, there's a few, right? There's near hype. Virtual's getting a little bit of a push. Quant. Yeah, some things are running, man. ICP, Arweave. I mean, pick your poison, man. I wouldn't touch it with Army Pipers and Jesse pushing, but you guys do you. You guys do you, man. US 10, US 30, 4.95. Holy smokes. That's wild. And oil is... Where's oil here? Okay, rejection at 92. It pumped yesterday. Holy smokes. Flat now. Bitcoin trying to find support. We'll see where it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. No trades right now. Showing the trades. Taking the trades. Accounts back down to 36,800. Took $20,000 in profits into my bank account yesterday, and we'll see where we get to now. I'll try to build this thing up to 50 again. I was at 56 something. 50, yeah. 56,000 after yesterday. Incredible trading day. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. No trade right now. Standard deviation 2.5. So pretty overextended right now. Could see relief coming into this area here. We could see something like this today. Up into VWAP. Maybe VWAP comes up. We'll see. Patience right now, in my opinion. The back's feeling a little bit better. All you guys became like physiotherapists and fucking chiropractors in the chat yesterday. Take a bath with some Epsom salts and put, get the rubber ducky, stick it to your back, suction cups, fucking red light therapy, use the A535 Tiger Balm Chinese medicine salts, walk on your back, and then roll your back on a roller with big whatever on it. How's Soul looking? It's ready for me to buy more. I just want to see macro reversal. I haven't bought Soul yet. I'm about to though. I've been buying at $78 this whole time, but if Bitcoin rolls again, we could come lower. So I'm waiting right now. I got buy levels down here. 77, 76. Must hold 76. Otherwise, we're going to 63. Got levels all the way down, though, with alerts. So not looking good, though. Solana is looking like absolute shite, mate. Trying to hold. Key level of support. We'll see. Not looking too hot, in my opinion. Pullbacks are for shorting. Down we go. Nasty. Rip the Band-Aid off Bitcoin. Come on. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Still 3x swing long on hype. Nice. Why is nobody talking about Injective? It's flying and it's so easy to trade. We longed Injective in our Discord. I guess I can show. We longed Ondo, Injective. But yeah, we show it, bro. I mean, we longed here at $3.20. And not the easiest to trade, man. Pretty choppy, but up only continuation. But yeah, that we traded Ondo. B&B got away from us. Yeah, Jasmine, we took this long here. But yeah, I buy those on spot, so I bought like $3,000 worth of Injective on spot because I'm not looking to hold them on my own. I'm emotional. I'm aware of that, so I just buy it on spot. I made almost 4,000 on Ondo, 2,000 on Injective, so. But yeah, I mean, Injective's doing its thing. AI, Mark Cuban, all that kind of narrative. We'll see, man. Some things are running, some things not so running, right? Some things dying. Choppy though, yeah. You have a big bag of pogs? I have pogs. Leeches are great for back pain, yeah. Patience. Good morning, Mazix. Good to see you, man. Yes, we are all degens. Come on, we're here trading Bitcoins and fart coins and stuff, man. Pump coming later to wreck the shorts. Yeah, definitely. They'll squeeze. When do they want to squeeze, though? That's the problem, right? That's the problem. Keen Bean, good to see you, man. How's everybody doing? Good morning here. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 400 people here. Bitcoin rolling over, dying right now. Down 3% today. No signs of relief just yet. Continuation down. Retest to previous lows. Losing the lows yesterday. And down we go here. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Solana breaking down as well. Solana and key level here. We got a little bit of a stiletto pattern. See if it can bounce out of that. But Bitcoin showing no signs of relief. Oil not spiking like it did yesterday. It spiked quite aggressively, but still watching that. NASDAQ consolidation. A little bit of a Bart Simpson here. If NASDAQ dumps, big trouble. Okay. Same with the bull flag in here on the ES. Okay, we'll see how the price gaps this morning coming into market open. We do have a big JOLTS job report today, so be aware, 10 a.m. Okay, guys? So in less than a couple hours here, we're doing the JOLTS job openings, which is expected Okay, forecasted at 6.8 million. So we want to see this come up. I'm going to guess it's going to come below expectations. Put a 1 in the chat if you think it's going to come above expectations. Put a 2 in the chat if you think it's going to come below expectations. And I think if it comes too low, it will dump bad. It will dump it bad. If it comes low, it's going to dump it. If people are losing lots of jobs. Just my thoughts. What do you guys think? 1 and 2s? Army Piper says 1. Army Piper counts as 5 votes. So you think they're creating jobs in America? You literally blocked your brother everywhere a month ago? Where did you block him from? Was he trolling you? Did he say you're too handsome or what? Too Rudy. If Piper says 1, I'm switching. Is it me or is the USDT that leaving Bitcoin is heading into hype, or am I really stupid? Well, there's definitely a rotation of capital. Look at Bitcoin dominance, right? You can see that's falling here. Now this happened last time here. We have seasonality, right? Here's my fractal I shared just to entice trolls. This was last June, guys. So we had this rounding and then we had the relief. So this was the bottoming. So we had this last time. Just saying. Very similar rounding and rotation down that we did last cycle. If you want to see the last cycle, I can show you. I have to go on the weekly here. Right, so same, you see here, right? So this is May and June right here. So you get this rounding right here. Down you go. Okay, you break the low, you come back, equal highs, and then dump. Okay. Altcoin season. So you would need down. You would need down and then equal highs and then dump. A fractal always gets the trolls going, man. The fractal, it brings out all the trolls. That's why I post them sometimes on Twitter. I have like no followers on Twitter though. I'm not a big X guy. But you can follow me there if you do want to. AlexOCrypto with a 0 at the end. I do post some stuff there. All my shorts. And me golfing in the mountains. I actually I'm going to be playing a nicer course. An even nicer course next weekend. If my back feels any better. 80-yard chip shot. 56 degree, 3/4 swing. Oh. I put it within 7 feet, and then I 2-putted like a chump, and I left it short. Ugh. Ondo. What does Ondo want? Okay, Ondo's breaking the high here. We'll see where we get to on Ondo here. I wanted to buy level in here, but I was just waiting. Probably going to regret not taking this. But I'm not going to. Not with Bitcoin doing this, man. Not right now. Bitcoin look like Scheissenhausen. Zusammenfloss. If you do want setups like that and you do want an amazing community with 8 traders, there is a discount for the summer here going on if you do want to join the beautiful Discord. 8 traders, setups, live trading. $20 off your first month. You can join AlexOCrypto.com. Use the code VANILLA. The best ice cream with apple crumble. Vanilla. Okay, get your discount and join the gang for the summer. $20 off your first month. Maybe you just want to join and digest all the strategies and videos in the 150 videos. It's up to you, man. You don't need to join. We are a very happy community in our little corner in the crypto world. But it is the best Discord in all crypto. You know what would make it even better if Army Piper just joined as well. Yeah, I think he will though. One day he'll retire into our Discord. I think we're gonna just have to adopt Army Piper. One day. Love the high hand finish. I tried to get the loft, man. 16, bro. I thought June was LG TV month. Is that like... I identify as Lord Otter, King Beaver. Is that one of those things? I also identify as profitable. June is men's mental health month. Okay, yeah. Let's not wreck our accounts, guys. Hype is about to turn green for the day. Of course it is. Of course it is. Gang, gang, gang. What's going on, Taco? Good to see you, bro. Alex, I got a question, man. Why is XRP really not dropping against... Well, you can see there's a rotation of capital. Alts are actually outperforming Bitcoin right now on a lot of your pairs. So if you look at your Bitcoin, you go over here, you should always check your pairs, right? Look at your pairs, Bitcoin pairs. ADA is even, near, Link, Solana, BNB, ETH. They're all green against Bitcoin, okay? So there means there is a potential rotation of capital, not only into altcoins, but into stables, guys, okay? Into your stable coins. Look at stable coins, guys. Stable coin dominance. Okay. It's not just altcoins. Stablecoin dominance. Okay. Here's a new chart for you guys. You probably all look at USDT dominance. Stablecoin dominance. This is the actual ticker for all the stablecoins. Stable.c.d. Okay. Maybe you want to add that ticker to your chart. Stablecoin dominance. I find it a little bit better than USDT. All these USDT freaks, man. The Diddy Biddy combo and all. Crypto Crank crushes it with USDT, but stablecoin dominance. It includes all of the stablecoins, and it's going to be even more important as more stablecoins are released. Just saying. There's a little tip, just a tip for you guys. Bitcoin continuing to bleed out. No trade yet. Still waiting, guys. 390 people here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Could we get we need 60 more likes. That would be cool. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Trading is waiting right now. Unless you're short. You can be short if you want. Continuation down. Solana holding. NASDAQ rolling over. Here's the worry. If NASDAQ Bart Simpsons today, we're in big trouble, guys. That's all I got to say. Hopefully it stops at the ears. It looks like a Super Saiyan here. Goku. Kamehameha. How was that? That's pretty good. Art Attack, man. Doing some Bob Ross. Just bleeding out, man. This is nasty. All you guys are short, and I'm just sitting here short. No trades. I'm naturally short, but what's going on? Bad Karma, good to see you, bro. Dave Digital in here. Jesse, good to see you. Laurent, God bless. Andre, Dusty, Tool. No problem, Tool. Wumba, short making more on BTC. Arweave not looking bad. Yeah, AR is getting a little bit of a push today. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Doing my best, man. Doing my best. Coming into key support here at 69,900. Just keep hitting that like all day. I do appreciate it. All right. Here we are. Major support level at 68,641 here. A little bit of a bounce level here beforehand. Bitcoin bleeding out. Damn, Daniel. Almost down 3.5% for the day. Ripping that Band-Aid off. Coming back for all those giga-longs and punishing them. Solana holding up surprisingly better. Bitcoin not looking too hot. No trades right now. Still waiting, guys. We'll see what we get today. Pullbacks are for shorting, in my opinion. You do you. But maybe we short this thing. Order block retest of previous lows. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Retest into support level right now. I'm looking here, if anything. Nice pushback here. Top of the hour here. Hourly candle. Look at that hourly candle, man. That's disgusting. Pushing up, order block. NASDAQ holding. Considering a short. Push. Nice pushback here off of our key level. Wick test, continuation up. Bullish engulfing. Wick test, continuation up here. Still no trade. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Holding that standard deviation 2, interestingly enough. Key level support here. Can you get follow through up here? NASDAQ looking weak as well. No trade. Yes. Trying to push here. I mean, I like the short into the pink box. Like, I like whatever into the pink box. So the only pink box that does pay you is the pink box, guys. If you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, hanging out with you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. We'll see where we get to today. My Bitcoin is worth more than yours because I paid more for it. My average cost is $21,000, and I'm not gonna change that. That's my leave. Set it and forget it. When to close the short? Well, you're coming into macro golden pocket down here, so I'd be considering taking some off down into this pink box here. However, if you start to get structure change on a higher term time frame, like we were looking for 12-minute structure change last night, right? So we go 12-minute, we can see that we never made a higher high, right? We never broke structure in here. We have down only, high, 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 right? We never changed structure. We never made a higher high in any of this area to suggest reversal structure. So it's been down only. So once you get 12-minute structure reversal, something like that, right? You're then in business to potentially look for retracement shorts. Until then, you don't need to do shit, right? You just enjoy your ride down, right? Lazy river trades is what it's all about, man. You jump on your little water tube here and you go for a ride, baby, right? Woohoo! That's the one. Leave a runner, let it go. Leave a runner, let it go. NASDAQ trying to find support here this morning. ES looks pretty flaccid as well. Jolt job openings coming in this morning. Okay. That's at 10 a.m. 9:06 right now. 24 minutes till market opens. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Hanging out on the water tube is fun. It is, man. It's totally lazy river trading is the best, man. Some of my first buys were 17K. Let's go, Curtis Hill. Yeah, I don't know what convinced me to buy when I did. It was like a macro high or low. That's why I started buying Bitcoin. That's why. FTX collapsed down to 15. Then we made a higher high, higher low. That retracement, I bought most of my Bitcoin. Can you see hype still high? You want me to take a look at hype? No problem. I mean, we have our levels for hype. You can screenshot them or whatever you want here. Merry Christmas. All right. Level last night given in advance. Bouncing off $70 psychological level. Fib extensions, they were going to 100. Okay, 83, 88, 99. Consolidating right now. Hopefully that helps you. I ain't your dad, but I'll try to help you. Yeah, health is wealth, though, man. I had to take the little guy to the hospital yesterday. He had an allergic reaction to cashews. Is cashews like a high allergen food? Cashews. Like, how does my son get like his ass whooped by cashews, man? So weird. Scary, though. New dad, 21 months. Turned into an Oompa Loompa yesterday. I had to rush him to the hospital. EpiPen and fuck. It's all fine and dandy to come in here and, you know, I did $8,000 yesterday. But it doesn't mean shit if you don't have someone to share it with. And scary. Very scary. Rotation down. This thing nonstop, man. NASDAQ dumping. All right. I warned you guys. This is not good. If this happens, it's not good. No bueno. No bueno here. Rip it off, Bitcoin. Just rip it off. Dump it. Happy days. Peanut allergy. Can you play the dump song? Send it to 0. Good morning, Magic Mike. How you doing? Yeah, we feed them. We give him nuts all the time, but cashews just fucked them up, man. Legumes. They're legumes, man. I think we dumped to at least 68.4. Yeah, that's the idea. Coffee short. We're doing a coffee short or a coffee long. We should do it before. Oh shit! I should do it before coffee long. Here's coffee long. Coffee long. I gotta go fill up my coffee before we do market open. Back's feeling okay. Dump song. You guys want dump song, don't you? Or do you want the pump song? Well, we'll keep you on the dump song. I'll be right back. Then we'll make more money. Coffee long.
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, soul. Elevator down, losing control. Trapping a post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to 0. Bye.
Yo, even the coffee long doesn't work in this environment. Oh man, even the coffee long's a piece of shite. Don't even bother, guys. Don't even touch that button. The green one, don't touch it, man. Bitcoin needs to rip the band-aid off. Nasdaq's doing it. Yeah, this is nasty, guys. Here we go. Jeez. Big sell-off incoming. Big sell-off. Sweet, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 380 people bringing in the dump today. 160 likes. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Hopefully, you're all having a beautiful day. Patience. Patience, man. I mean, down only strategy is working its magic right now. If you know, you know. It's fire, man. It's been working really well all the way through here and here. Overextended though. Can it bounce? Nasdaq. Can it bounce? I got a frog in my throat now. All right, we're back. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that in your ears, guys. I apologize. Everybody's like, unsubscribe. You're gross. We'll see where we get to here. Send it to 0. Are you pre-rich? The Pink Box song. I'm in Australia. Good eye. I lived in Sydney for a year. In Erskineville. R. Crikey. Oh, man. Beautiful city. But it is like you're on Mars. Shout out to the Aussies in the chat. Where are you guys all from? Maybe you guys can let me know where you're from. I'm from India. I do thumbnails and all that good stuff, man. That's where I'm from. Canada. Lower. What's going on, Wemba? How you doing, man? I'm from India. Turkey. What's going on? Jitu. Cairns, Australia. Let's go. Melbourne. Man, we got all the Aussies in here. Fair income. Fair income. You can't. Sorry, I had to do it, man. I had to do it, man. That's the most Australian thing you can say, man. G'day. You know. Sweden, Iran. What's going on? Cyprus. LA. F your three-peat. F your three-peat, Alexander G. You're lucky I still let you be here. After that horrible, horrible, painful loss. I love you, Alex. Sweden. Bulgaria. That's cool, man. Sri Lanka. Vanakkam. I think that's Sri Lankan. I don't know. Tamil. Cape Town. Aussie, mate. The Netherlands. You guys are tall as fuck. My wife's uncle lives in Netherlands, and his wife's like 6'9". He's like 6 feet, and his wife is 6'9". She's Dutch. Singapore, let's go. I live in a town called Saskatchewan. That's a province in Canada. London. He's from London, mate. Brilliant. How tall is fuck? It's tall as fuck's got to be at least 6'2", right? Ruski, what's going on, Ruski? God bless. Where are my Serbs at? Let's go, Serbia. Czechai. Eventi Kuric, right? Is that right? Did I say that right? Am I wrong? I learned how to swear in every European language because I worked in construction, okay? Hey, carai. Good pushback here coming into market open. Italy, buongiorno. Brazil, Morocco. You got me. Curva, yes, let's go. Beaver fuck. Look at the translation. Beaver fuck to Django. Look at the translation. It says beaver fuck. I'm 6'2", honest. In England. You're a giant. We went over this. Your Serbian is A1. Let's go. North Korea. Gung-hei fat choi. No, that's Chinese. Like homa, ho ho. Let's hold your mic, yeah. Yet ye some say, look chap by guts up. That's Cantonese, I think. I don't know. I grew up in a Chinatown in Toronto, so. I bust out the Chinese. Okay. I mean, I am Caucasian, so. Are we gonna go there? An Asian with a cock? Is that is that what we're doing into market open today, guys? Jeez. Oh man. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show, where we talk shit and speak. That's Cantonese. Cantonese. Dirty knees, whatever knees, man. I know Dule Lomo. That means F your mom or something like that. I don't know. I gotta stop. I'm gonna stop right there. Poke guy. Okay. I know all the swear words. Eight trades in, Biddy. Puerto Rico. Hey, chica bonitas. Puerto Rico. That was actually very accurate. I sold Joe Mutt, yeah. I went to Hong Kong to play ping pong with his ding dong. I'm about to open a trade. Watch out. Not at market open, man. In Serbian. Cocker Spaniel. Bolivia, let's go. That's pretty on point for Cantonese. Thank you. I mean, my classroom was like 70% Chinese, Cantonese, Vietnamese, whatever knees, right? I've shown the school picture on the live stream before, right? Like my best friend was Garvin Luong, Shiva Chandrakumar from Sri Lanka, Naroshan Sarwestwarn, Larry Liu. The funniest thing about the Chinese kids that I grew up with is like right around grade 6. Like their name is like Ding Long Ping, and then all of a sudden their name's Jennifer the next year. Like, right? Hong Long Zong. And then I had this guy, Xi Jinping, and his name was Larry the next year. Like, it's so funny, man. That's like legit. Larry Liu, man. Loved Larry Liu. Aaron Lai. Larry Liu taught me how to play Diablo 2 and Counter-Strike. He was one of my best friends online at the internet cafes, man. We used to crush it. Good fun. Nice pushback out of here. What's going on, baby? Good to see you. That's where my shortness came from. Exactly. Pre-market bounce into dump. We got NASDAQ catching a bid here. V-shaped recovery on that sweep. Grabbing that liquidity block down below here. That little gap, guys. Look at that. Perfect little gap flush here. Boop. Pretty nice. Nice little target gap fill and bounce. Pushing into market open. We got 7 minutes till market open. Thank you guys for being here. Gung Hei Fat Choi. Thank you. Donkashen. Whatever. I appreciate you guys being here. 430 people here. Let's see what we get today, man. No trades right now. Just like trickling down. Pretty pathetic. Retracements have been for shorting. However, we are bouncing off a key level in here. So can we push back up? Maybe retest these lows. We'll see where we get to today. Patience will be king today, I think. I sound like fucking Yoda. We got fake Jesse in the chat. Yeah, this is Jesse's. Jesse's allowed to talk smack in this chat. He's fully welcome to do whatever he wants. Thank you for liking and subscribing, everybody. Had my kid in my class named Sub Henkar. People called him Mickey. Yeah, that's it, right? Right. Good times. Just hit the market with a VWAP slap. I mean, we got to slap all the way back up to 70,000. That's going to be quite a move. We'll see if we get it. Well, very possible. Very possible. Major resistance at 70,600 though. Downtrending momentum here. Trying to push back. Higher low. Can we get a higher high, higher low? Right now it's just down only. So no strength in the move. ES flaccid rolling over. NASDAQ. Nice V-shaped recovery bounce. Holding. See if it can continue. Solana holding here, but at extreme lows for Solana. Really want to see it get going off of this. We'll see. And Bitcoin just bleeding out slowly but surely. Coming down into our macro golden pocket. Pink box down here. We'll see where we get to. Market cipher not looking the greatest. Red money flow all the way down, 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 down. You can't see that throughout. 30-minute, no real pushback here. Every pushback has been meant with shorting. Okay, a little bit of rounding here trying to get going, but no real signs of strength. The hourly anchor trigger wave money flows horrible here. So very aggressive sell-off here coming into market open. We'll see where we get to. Any sort of pullback here, even if we do get relief, is for shorting. It has proven time and time and time and time again. This whole time when grass is red, we look to sell it. Okay, so we'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. We got 5 minutes till market opens. We're here. Showing you the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Did 8K yesterday, deposited 20,000 into the bank account, showing the work, showing the trades, showing the account on a daily basis. Taking the trades, showing the trades, all that shit. So happy to be here. Thank you for being here and hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. No trades right now, still waiting. I let you know when I enter and exit. There is a delay. This is never financial advice. Please do not waste your money trying to copy trade me. It's your money, not mine. Read the damn disclaimer, man. Do your own research. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you guys, though, for being here. We're at $69,000 Bitcoin. If you wanted to buy under 70, here's your opportunity. Doesn't mean we can't go lower. I'm just saying. Just saying, man. Get rid of this guy here. Yeah, ugly. Trying to push back here. A little bit of rounding. NASDAQ pushing back. Getting back within the range before market opens. 3 minutes now. Still waiting. Yes, they do, Rob. Coming into tax reporting time, many will sell off to offset capital gains with losses. Yeah, absolutely. What's going on, Dusty? Good to see you. No copy trading, only coffee trading. I like that. Do you even trade? Not even, Dusty. I have no experience at all. I'm just here trading a fake account that was funded by the exchange that I don't withdraw any profits off. I don't do any of that. It's just fake money, man. It's not mine. I can't withdraw it. I can't take it off. I can't put it in my bank account. But I'm a trader. Oh, fuck. Industry is so fucked up, man. It's so messed. But you can buy my course for $5 billion. And I will show you exactly how I do it. I appreciate you, Dusty. Thank you for being in the Discord, man. God bless you, bro. Sounds salty. I am the paper trading machine, guys. Oh, man. Someone's going to think I'm being serious on this channel one day. I'm trying to grow my man bun out to show you who you're trading against. You know how painful this is? I'm normally 3 haircuts in. I'm at that stage where it's starting to get, like, ridiculous. Why did I decide to do this in summer, too? Do I provide courses? If you join the Discord, there's 150 videos of me teaching and explaining everything that I use and do. That's it. A lot of people join the Discord for a month. They watch all the content, and then they leave. Which is fine, too. You do whatever the fuck you want. I mean, I know there's extreme value in the Discord besides that, but if you want to do that, that's available as well. All my strategies, all my setups, all my ideas, how I mark out my charts, how I use the tools, everything. It is the best Discord in all of crypto for a reason. You come over here. You get 8 traders, signals, setups, mine, Kyle's, Brewberries, CVOs, TradeFly, HRJ, FJ, Wave Cipher, Lunar Beaches. Then you get all these lessons. Look. Videos and videos and videos and videos and videos, bonus, general trading, VWAP, SFPs, orbs. Market is open. I'm going to shut up because I want to make some money. Let's go, baby. Yes. Let's go to SPY, gapping down. Gapping down, dump. Leaving the above us here. NASDAQ. Whew. Yikes. Pump and dump. Coming back for late longs. Sweep and go. Bounce. NASDAQ. Solana. Holding. Bitcoin. Flat. No real action here. Interesting. NASDAQ. Rotation down. SPY. Rotation down. No strength in here. Trying to hold. Bullish divergence. Push out. Trying to make a higher high, higher low here. No strength here on Biddy. Solana holding. Trying to push above these highs here. Downwards momentum in our face. Bitcoin trying to hold. NASDAQ dumping. Rotation down. Little fake out. Coming all the way down for the late longs. Push back. SPY pushing back. Okay. Let's see. Typically we come back, fill the gap, and rotate down if we want to see that happen here. Bitcoin pretty flat. No volume coming in right now. trickling down, continuation down. Looking for a pushback here on Bitcoin. Solana trying to go. Can it go? Holding the lows, trying to push back here. NASDAQ lower. SPY. Gap fill starting. Going down to the 1 minute on the SPY. I got to get rid of the macro level here on the SPY. It's kind of blinding me. All right, rotation down here. Trying to fill the gap. Bitcoin flat. Still no trade. Want to see us come into here? Also aware retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Down only so far for Biddy. Solana trying to break out and get going here. Bottoming structure. A little bit of a stiletto chop and push. Bitcoin flat. Solana trying to push out. Still no trade. Waiting right now. Failing to push. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY. If SPY fills the gap early here, I would look for lower. Bitcoin. Indecision up at the highs here. Solana. Indecision. Trying to push out. Failing to do so. Rejection SFP of the high. Bitcoin down. Lower for Bitcoin. Coming for the low. Trying to hold key level of support here. I prefer Bitcoin in here. 68. 700 area here. Golden pocket bounce level. We'll see. Solana rejection. NASDAQ rejection. SPY holding. Still no trade. Waiting. Thank you everybody for being here on the live. 470 people here. Only 185 likes. That's weird. Normally you guys have got that to 200. If you guys wouldn't mind. It does help the channel. If you could smash that like. I would appreciate it. And thank you for being here. NASDAQ down. Coming down here looking to come to the ears minimum. Okay, we can slide this thing up a little bit. Bart Simpson ears. Failing to push here. Bitcoin weak. Solana holding the lows, trying to push back here. Critical level of support here for Solana. Otherwise, it's ugly. Let's put it that way. Bitcoin dying. Bitcoin dying. Lower highs all the way through. No sign of strength. We go live trading in the Discord right after this, guys. So looking forward to continuing. We'll see what we get for the rest of the day. Thank you guys for being here. We got Jolt's jobs coming in at 10 a.m. Okay, we'll see what they decide to add here. Jolt's job openings at 10. That's going to be a fun one. That should move the market pretty good. So be on high alert at 10 a.m. this morning. That's in 25 minutes. So be aware of that, guys. NASDAQ lower low. SPY. Exhaustion at the highs. Trying to push up here. Bitcoin down. Patricio, what's going on, man? Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. You're not on live? YouTube has a built-in delay. What? Yeah. Okay, drive safe. No cashews. My wife's like, we're going to buy cashews. They're going to do grocery shopping. Good morning, Heath. Health, sorry. What's likely to happen at the golden pocket bounce level? We're looking for macro reversal trades, right? So need confirmation. But looking to get there. Losing a key level here. That pink box. That pink box. 3 drives at the lows. NASDAQ dying. SPY holding. Bitcoin. 3 drives. 3 drives. SFP. Lower. Still no trade. Still waiting, guys. Bitcoin down only. Thank you, Wemba. Good morning, DB. How you doing? Alexander G. Rick. How you doing, Rick? Good to see you. Gang, gang, gang. Yeah, fast forward his stream, yeah. God bless your family, Alex. Thank God for accessible healthcare. Yeah, absolutely, man. It was very scary yesterday. Little man. Looked like an absolute Oompa Loompa, man. It was, as a new dad, it was pretty scary. A little pushback here on Biddy. NASDAQ pushback. Retest to the lows. Continuation down. Bitcoin holding. Dumping. All of it's dumping. Down, down, down. Lower. We need to see violence. No violence yet. Trying to hold here. No trade. Still waiting. Soy Boy Lana. Indecision. Dump it, Biddy. Come on, rip the Band-Aid off, man. Don't be a namby-pamby. I'm poor again? No, Dusty, that's not allowed. Is that because your baseball team is no longer playing, or what? What happened to the little guy? He had an allergic reaction yesterday to cashews. Had to take him to the hospital. Midstream in the Discord. Oh, man. No noodles in my ramen tonight. Just flavored water, eh? Okay, no sign of strength here. Nas trying to push back. Pretty flat. Looks like it's waiting to take in the jobs data, everybody. If you're short, put a 2 in the chat, man. Bravo. Good job. Good job on the shorts. Great job. Okay. Lower. Lower, lower, lower. The slow bleed, man. Not a fun trading system. Not a fun place to be trading, really. I mean, you get in on the pullbacks here and continuation down. Down only trading rules apply here, but for me, the squeeze now. The squeeze is not necessarily worth it. Bitcoin almost down 4% for the day. Here we go. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Come on, Biddy. Down you go. 2s, GG's, everybody. No, we didn't know. We were trying them out on new foods this week, and the wife gave him cashews yesterday, and it sucked. Let's just put it that. How's your back? After all the chiropractic advice yesterday, I'm feeling a little bit better. I booked golf for the end of the week. That's how much better I'm feeling. Actually, booking golf makes your back feel better naturally. I highly suggest you do that. If you go and you just book your tee time, you'll naturally, you'll naturally feel better. It's like here when you come here and you sit on your chair and you watch me trade, you will naturally learn through osmosis, it's called. You sit on your ass. Through osmosis, you will come in here, you'll watch me do it, and through osmosis, you'll become a better trader. Okay? It's like osmosis, but it's called osmosis. Okay? It's very profitable. Put a 1 in the chat if you like learning through osmosis. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Down we go. No sign of relief yet. Higher lows for Solana. Lower highs for Bitcoin. Interesting. I want to see violence, and I'm sure it's going to be in 18 minutes. And then go. Right? We'll see. Losing key support, rotation down. Micro penis orb, yeah. Yeah, no. Health is wealth, man. I'm very grateful that little man is doing okay. Okay, still waiting. Micro orb, yeah, micro orbs are good just for the fact that they provide a much tighter stop loss. Right? You got an area, right? And you shrink that area down, so that's your confluence. It just gives you a tighter window to trade within, right? That's all. There's ways to take advantage of it. It's just yeah, I guess, a larger orb can give you a range versus a smaller orb will give you a support and resistance level, right? With clean and clear invalidation. Right? So you get an orb that's this big. Well, how are you going to use it, right? How are you going to trade price action around it? Right? You short here, you stop above the high, and you target, So there's many ways to use it depending on your strategy, but it's all about price action at the end of the day. It's also about perspective too, right? If you want to look at it, it's so small. I mean, there's so many rude jokes going through my head, right? Sorry. But there's ways to look at it positively so that you can, it's the ocean in the motion in the ocean, whatever, right? There's still ways to make money off of a small orb or a big orb. That's why a lot of the time with a large orb, you have to split it in half. Right? Solana catching a little bid. NASDAQ coming back. Ear tap and bounce. Stiletto pattern on the SPY. Pushback. Pushback into news is concerning. Lessen the blow. Potentially. I see a big spike up coming. Right now, I just see this. Grabbing all these shorts in here. So if you are short in here, I would definitely protect yourself. Make sure you're stop to entry or whatever. Okay, because I definitely see that on the cards. Look at yesterday, guys. What happened yesterday? Right? Yesterday was this. Down only. And then continuation, right? Be prepared for that wick. That's all I'm saying. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself. There's your orb. What is it? 0.5%? It's not bad. Middle of the orb. Trying to hold support here. Trying to push. No trade yet. Still waiting. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY pushing back. Solana trying to break out here. Yeah, I still don't like it. Lower. We could be tracking this too right here. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here. If we bottom out here and we break and get going, something like that. We'll see. Still waiting, no trades. Thank you guys for getting those likes up. I appreciate you guys. I think lower still. Solana, another rejection at the trend line. NASDAQ continuing to push up. Retest to previous lows now. SPY looking to gap fill. Bitcoin weakness. Indecision. Yeah, it looks like it's baking in for news right now. No trades right now. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Quite a dull market open right now. Patience will prevail, though. Choppy down, just slow bleed out. So no signs of strength yet. 12 minutes till news data coming out. Still waiting here. Susan, what's going on, man? Have you seen CVD and open interest? It's insane today. What do we have? Bullish absorption? I don't check it that much, man. $585, good to see you, Wemba. To where you think Bitcoin's going to go to, Wemba? Pink box. I'm looking for macro reversal structure in this area here. That's what I'm looking for. This could take days. And then our major resistance is now at 70,700. Bitcoin likes trading right here. It can chop here for days, in my opinion. We could range bound in here and bore everybody out. We shall see. We shall see. Trying to hold massive scalps in that range. That's it, right? That's it. Lots of money to be made. What time you end the stream? 8 a.m. till 10:15 every day, Monday to Friday. Good morning, C-Train. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? I heard another streamer says he hates ranges. If you don't know how to trade a range, I could see why you hate them, right? You're range bound 80% of the time, though, so you better figure it out, in my opinion. All you need to do to trade a range is this guy right here. That's it. You need to define premium and discount. Buy low, sell high, be wrong once, right? Buy low, sell high, be wrong once, and leave a runner, right? Buy low, sell high, be wrong once. It's not complicated, but defining the range and understanding reversal and highs and lows is critical. So if you can't do that, you got some work to do. Okay? Don't get noodle slapped. Don't diddle in the middle. Okay? But it's pretty easy to trade a range, in my opinion. It's just my opinion. But fuck, what do I know? We're waiting here. No comment. This is crazy. Wonder how trades by Matt's faring today, man. This is nuts. This is nuts. All right. Jolts in 9 minutes, guys. 9 minutes. That's messed up, man. That's a lot for the Nas. That's really messed up. I would not want to be trading the NASDAQ today. Wonder how Trades by Matt's doing. Is he trading? It's a good day to take off to not trade the Matt's taking the day off. It's a smart day to take off. Rotation down. Rejection at the midline. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Weakness. 7 minutes. NASDAQ's absolute chaos. SPY trying to make a higher low. Still waiting here. Patience will prevail. Down only. Shorts are printing. Good job, shorts. I mean, our short opportunity was up here. That would be the entry I would have liked to have this morning. Just wasn't. I came to the stream a little bit tired this morning, so I didn't want to enter a trade. The checkup from the neck up is very important, right? I didn't want to enter short and regret it. Let's put it that way. I wouldn't have regretted it, but when you're tired, I didn't sleep that well. The back sore, the kid was sick, a little bit worried, you know, so I'm good now, but like initially this morning, I did not feel top performing. You know, I need to sit with the charts a little bit. Got to check up from the neck up, right? Always, how am I feeling? How am I doing? It's the first question you should ask, right? Did you just break up with the girl? Did you get into a fight with the wife? Did the dog shit in the rug? Like, whatever, man. Right? How are you? Ask yourself that. And then cater to that, right? You shouldn't trade when you're sick. I lost 23,000. I was sick. Fucking horrible. Shouldn't have been trading. Don't trade when you're sick. You're grieving because you need to make money. That's the worst place to be. You should not be trading because you need money. You have to be free. I mean, it's nice to make extra money, but to have to make money, you're going to force trades, and that's going to be detrimental over time. It's very important you do all these things on a daily basis. For me, it's imperative because I'm almost forced to show up every day. And I showed up every day without a paid Discord for over 2.5 years. Okay, so I did it for free for 2.5 years. Okay, it's not like I struggle to show up and trade and stream. It's just I'm required to now, which is fine. I've signed up for it. My superpower is I show up every day, rain or shine, right? All right, 4 minutes. No trades right now. No trades until news. V-shaped recovery, liquidity grab. 1, 2, 3, bounce, go. Chopping in the middle of the range into news data. Same with SPY here, into news data. Bart Simpson played out, back into the range, right? We can go lows and highs of the range if we want here. We got highs of the range, lows of the range. We'll see where we get to. I would expect acceptance into the lower range here. Bart Simpson, acceptance into the range. Bitcoin chopping into news data. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out here. God bless you guys. I hope you're all doing well. If you're not, hopefully we can help you do a little bit better. Jolt's job openings coming in. Hopefully positive. We'll see. Bottoming out, lower orb right now, no trade. Still waiting. Thank you for supporting the channel. We do a giveaway tomorrow. $1,500. Thursday, $1,500. Friday, $2,000. Every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments here. You sign up, you deposit, you get raffle tickets. We pull the tickets tomorrow. People have been winning boat tons of cash here. $5,000 worth of giveaways every single week. You can do that to support the channel, and you can do that to win lots of money. Okay, so that giveaway is tomorrow. It's every week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, $5,000. Just sign up and deposit and trade on Bitunix. Support the channel. I do appreciate that. God bless you, and thank you for supporting the channel. And hopefully we can, get you guys a whole bunch of free cash. Thank you for supporting that. We sacrificed our left nut to get you VIP 3. I'm not exactly sure what the VIP 3 is. It's not bad, though. It's not bad. I mean, it's relative to a lot of the other exchanges, so it's not MexC or fucking CaseX, which are absolutes. I won't go there. I'm not speaking bad on anyone. I'm just saying I wouldn't trust my money on those exchanges. What's going on, Terry? Staying up late. Good afternoon, bro. Jolt's job openings coming in. We'll see where we get to here. Loading. Orb low showing signs of support. I wouldn't be interested in looking to long orb low right now. Why not Dex versus Sex? Yeah. I mean, I like sex. It's nice. Too funny. Nobody getting ripped off on KSX. Ask them for proof of reserves. That's the only thing. Like, ask them for proof of reserves. It's nice. It's not so nice. Not. Suit is not black. Here we go. 10 seconds. Doom, doom, doo, doo, doo. The suit is black, not. Yagmen Kuliagbai. Coming in positive. Army Piper's right yet again. Positive numbers for the Jolts. Let's see if it goes. Can we push? Adding jobs. Adding jobs. Positive job numbers, everybody. They're so jobs fell, but they were above expectations. Above market expectations. The number of job openings decreased, but it's still not horrible. Okay? It's not horrible. They're just slowly replacing you with robots. All right? Just slowly. Okay? Just slowly. So Jolt's coming in above expectations. Happy days. Okay? 6.8 forecast coming in above that. Beautiful. You have permission to dump now, Bitcoin. NASDAQ pumping. SPY. Rotation down. Bitcoin. Rotation down. Failed or breakdown is typically bullish. into our first tap of the pink box, the first sniff test. Okay? Here's our first sniff test, guys. Scratch and sniff. If you didn't have scratch and sniff as a kid, you were probably didn't enjoy your childhood. Or at least the markers that smelt like grapes, you know? The grape markers. Bingo bango. Holy balls, NVIDIA. Why is NVIDIA pumping? Oh, yeah, baby. I bought NVIDIA down here, just so you guys know. Alex is a douche canoe. He is a namby-pamby. Oh, I'm already up 10%, guys. Oh, man. That's a stock portfolio, though. Who doesn't like a good trend line? Oh, man. J Powell is counted as unemployed. America's dead. No more birthdays. Dump. Good news. Trying to push back here. NASDAQ. Retest continuation. Dump it, Biddy. Come on. Dump it. Rip that Band-Aid off Bitcoin. Come on. This price action sucks, man. The VIX is low, though. We're on 16 VIX, man. So. Hanging man engulfing candle. Down he goes. Into pink box. We're going to go trade in the Discord after this. This should be fun. Down we go. Where we stop. Only Crypto Face knows. Face probably knows where it's going. Face probably short as fuck. Rotation down. Shorts are printing. NASDAQ up. SPY up. Bitcoin dumping. What? Oh, no comment. No comment. I'd like to long here. I need violence, though. Bitcoin alert triggered. Bitcoin lower. If we get like a flush and a bounce, I'm long. That's all. That's all I know. Down we go. Losing orb is bearish. No violence. NASDAQ ripping. SPY's pushing. Bitcoin dumping. Solana trying to hold lows. No trade right now. Still waiting. He was in a 7 mil short. Yeah, I love Face, man. God bless Face. He sponsored this channel when we were really small, man. He's played blackjack with him in Vegas this year. That was fun. I made like 3,000. he was making, I don't even know. He was crushing it. He was crushing it. It was good times in Vegas with Face. God bless him, man. Him and his family took us out for dinner and stuff. Love that guy. Let's go, Django. Let's go, Django. GG's, bro. I've seen you put in the work, Django. Keep it up, bro. I've seen you win. Big reversal. I mean, this is scratch and sniff pink box right now. NASDAQ doesn't. Lower. That's all I see is lower. Bitcoin almost down 4% for the day. No signs of strength here. I mean, this is just like watching a slow bleed out, slow paint dry session here. Here we go. Push. Dump it. Dump it. I need to see violence. Flush it. Flush it out. Flush it out there. Come on, Biddy. There we go. Violence. Give me violence. We need more. More violence. No trade. Still waiting. Solana, sweep of the lows. Biddy, dumping. There we go. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it, Bitcoin. Lower. Dump it, Bitcoin. Sweep at the lows on Solana, considering a long if Bitcoin pushes up here. There we go. Nice flush. Lower. Buy Solana. Buy Bitcoin. Hoo-hoo-hoo-wee. Dump it, baby. Holy Scheissenhausen. Holy Scheissenhausen. Waiting for a pushback. Considering long on Solana. Bitcoin dumping. Lower. Great short, everybody. Patience. Push, you bitch. Sorry. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Push. My stones are bigger than your stones. No, I'm joking. I couldn't resist, guys. Fucking. Oh, man. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. GG's in the chat. You said too soon? That's a polite way to express yourself. I'm pretty rich, man. Do you even long? Stop loss entry. GG's in the chat, baby. You thought I wasn't going to take a trade today, didn't you? Didn't you? You guys can all join me in the trade if you want. It's never financial advice. Otter gang, we're going into the Discord. Let's see if we can keep making some bank today. We have $900, something like that.
AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van Bass up my wallet, yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the
low is in.
Just to degenerate, yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just mark it on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers and before the big drop.
Could be.
Blasting, buying high and selling low.
I ain't saying it is.
Put on a gong show. Blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health.
I'm just giving you guys FOMO.
Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon.
That'd be pretty sweet, eh? I'd have to add. I don't think it's gonna hold though.
I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling.
Faildor breakdown, golden pocket. Imagine it does this. Woo-wee. All right, I'm not here to brag. I'm here to enjoy your company, and I do enjoy your company, guys. We're here taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Up $755. We'll see if it wants to continue to push. We're going into the Discord now. We waited patiently. We'll see if it does want to continue up. Right now, it's looking nasty, guys. Like, cool. I longed it for the slap. It doesn't mean it's gonna go up only from here. So be patient. Pay yourselves. You know, it's very choppy price action. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the stream. I'll see you guys for the giveaways tomorrow and all that good stuff. God bless you and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.